It's teacher Jackie, and our topic for today is business English. And in this video, I will teach you on how to make and how to use an authorization letter. So what is an authorization letter? An authorization letter is a letter that is used to authorize another person on someone's behalf due to his absence. But before you use an authorization letter, you must remember that it has to be valid. And here's how. First, you must write an specific date. Date is very important because it will serve as the expiration date of your letter. Second is the header, wherein you write the name of the recipient. For example, to teacher Jackie. That is when you are referring to a particular person. But if you are referring to a company, you can say, Dear Sir, Madam, or let's say, to the manager, or even to whom it may concern. By that way, your letter will go directly to the addressee. The third is the body of the letter, wherein you stating and confirming that the person withheld is truly authorized by you. In this part, you must write your name, your authorized person's name, your purpose, and the proof. For some authorization letter, you don't have to explain or write the reason of your absence, but you must remember to write the evidence and the proof that will make the recipient to believe that the person is reliable. For example, I, teacher Jackie, hereby authorize Miss Juvie to please have the copy of my land title. Herein attached is the copy of my identification card together with her identification card to serve as your reference, right? Last but not the least is the signature. Signature is very important because it will serve as the seal of your letter. Both of your signature and your authorized person's signature must be present in the letter. One missing signature can cause to invalidate your letter. See? It's easy, right? Now that you know, try to use some time on authorization letter and it will help you a lot. It will help you to save your time and your effort at the same time. But make sure that you are entrusted to a reliable person, right? So, until our next lesson, goodbye!